Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check RAM or memory in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. So at first open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to device care option. After that go to memory option and give it a moment, and that's it. Now from here you can check your RAM or memory. You can see in my phone total RAM or memory is 6 GB and used RAM or memory is 3.2 GB. On the other hand, available RAM or memory is 2.3 GB. You can also check your reserve RAM or memory from here. You can see in my phone reserve RAM or memory is almost 500 MB. Also, if you want to clear your RAM or memory, then you can easily do it from here. Now if you scroll down again and then go to RAM plus option, you can also increase your RAM or memory from here. And that is how you can check RAM or memory in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.